Hello everyone. Now in this video you are going to see what is a polar array in AutoCAD. On the screen you can see that the polar array creates copies of objects in a circular manner. In the previous tutorial you saw the rectangular array where we can create multiple copies of objects in a rectangular manner, like a number of rows, number of columns, which looks like a rectangular shape. But here in the polar array we are going to arrange the objects in a circular way. Okay, let us have a look. First I am drawing a simple design which looks like a flower, which you can understand easily. I am taking the circle to draw the center of the flower. Yeah, okay, just a random, and I'm using the spline curve. Yes, okay, not so good. We'll see once again. Yes, now just I drawn this flower petal. Okay, now this petal I am going to copy around the circle. To do this one we have to use the command array, AR, enter, select objects, enter. Now it is asking either rectangular array or path array or polar array. As I said, we are doing the polar array, enter. So what is the center point? This is the center point of the array. Click it. See, immediately it forms the number of objects. See, right now 6 is there. If you want to increase, 6 is here, 8. See, number of objects change it to 8. Now suppose this is completely fill angle. Right now 360 degrees is there. If you want to change it to 180, it will form only 0 to 180 degrees only. Now if you want to fill it to 270, it will fill from 0 to 270. Now again I am changing it to 360. Yes, okay, this is all about the fill angle. Now items we discussed, fill angle we discussed, and now angle between each item is now 45 degrees. If you want to decrease 30, see, it changes. Angle between, right now 30, again I am increasing 40. Okay, just the normal one, 45. Okay, so this is how angle between items, fill angle. And now you can see that rows. Right now this is one row. If you want to create one more, just click on rows. Number of rows is 2. I am clicking. See, this is the row 1 and this is the row 2. Right now there is very big space, so specify the distance between rows is right now 45.37 is there. Now I am just changing it to 3 mm. See, I just change it to 3 mm. Specify the incrementing elevation between the rows. Right now not required, enter. That's it. So this is the rows. Suppose if you want to change 3 rows, yes, one more row formed, I am just changing the distance between the rows as 10 mm. See, again it changes. This is how you can do it. Right now I am going back. I don't want any rows. Number of rows only 1, 2. Okay, see, again I formed this one. Rotate items not required. Levels means right now here we are having one copy. If I am clicking levels, so levels, just I am creating 5 levels. Yes, specify the distance between the levels. Right now 1 is there, I'm giving it as 5. Enter. So how to see the levels? Just escape. You can see the 3D rotation. See, now you can see 5 levels are there: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So this is all about the level 5. So to come back, create view cube, view cube, home, top. Okay, so now we form this one. Suppose now you want this flower to be in 6 copies. Once again, just from this center I am drawing the line. Okay, now what I am going to do is that the same design I am going to create around this center point. Array, enter, select objects, everything, select objects, enter, polar array. Now this is the center one. Previously this is the center point for all these objects. Now for this one, this is the center point. Click it here. See, the number of items copied as 6. Now I am changing it to, right now 6 is there, I am making it as 8. Yes. So this is how you can create array of objects using polar array. So just I will give a complete color and line weight for this one. See, when I am giving the color and line weight, it won't accept because the source object, this one, the source object is very simple, so we can't. How to edit the source object we'll see in the next coming video. So this is all about the polar array.